Dear students, welcome in PDA's Educational Quality Improvement class, Standard 10 Subject English. I am Mrs. Wadekar, working in PDA's Vidyaniketan Madhyamik Vidyalaya, Doranchi. Today's our topic is 3.5, The Alchemy of Nature. Alchemy means किमया किंवा चमत्कार and alchemy of nature means निसर्गाची जादू किंवा निसर्गाची किमया. Nature is our creator. Nature plays very important role in our life. Our existence is not possible without nature. Because of nature in our life is the role of nature in our life is it relaxes and enhances our spirit. It whispers and commands. It fulfills and motivates. It soothes and nurtures. It relaxes and enhances our spirit means ते आपल्याला आराम देतं, आपलं मनोबल वाढत असतं. It whispers and commands means निसर्ग जो आहे ते आपल्याशी कुजबुजत असतो व आपल्याला आज्ञा देत असतो. ज्या वेळी मनुष्य निसर्गामध्ये अतिक्रमण करतो, निसर्ग मानवाला त्याच्या मर्यादांची जाणीव करून देतो. पूर, दुष्काळ, अतिवृष्टी, सुनामी यासारख्या आपत्तींना आपल्याला तोंड द्यावं लागतं. फुलफिल्स अँड मोटिवेट्स म्हणजे तो आपल्याला सर्व गोष्टींची पूर्तता करतो आणि आपल्याला प्रेरणा देत असतो. इट सूथ्स अँड नर्चर्स म्हणजे तो आपल्या वेदना क्षमावण्याचं काम करत असतो आणि आपलं पालन पोषण करत असतो. Every element of nature teaches us together, sharing, caring, and inspires and guides us. We learn from a bee, a teamwork and hard work. An eagle teaches us to have a strong vision and foresighted-ness. A cripple is the symbol of perseverance. Perseverance म्हणजे चिकाटी. A river is the symbol of life. A river is the idol of life. Teaches us to go with the flow and always be ready to face calamity. Sun, a ultimate source of energy. It follows the law of nature and is disciplined to it. It teaches us to live a life with punctuality and to give a life to others. Rain teaches us a dedication and be optimistic. Let's all of us learn from nature, own example to make our lives happy and peaceful. Let's move to the lesson, the alchemy of nature. The lesson begins with a famous quote from Auguries of Innocence by William Blake. To see a world in a grain of sand and have a heaven in a wild flower, hold infinity in the palm of hand and the eternity in our William Blake. वाळूच्या कणात जग बघता आलं पाहिजे आणि एखाद्या रानटी फुलात सुद्धा स्वर्ग अनुभवता आला पाहिजे. करलो दुनिया मुठ्ठी में म्हणता म्हणता आपण एका क्षणात अनंतात विलीन होऊन जातो. म्हणून प्रत्येक क्षण हा आपण आनंदाने जगला पाहिजे. In this piece, the author tries to convey how elements of nature inspires us in a different way. Flower blooms for a day, but throughout the day, they smiles with fun and dance with the wind, inspiring us to live our life to its fullest, no matter how short it may be. An important idea used throughout the prose is that a glimpse of something tiny can provoke you to imagine something really big. Metaphors are used powerfully in the prose to convey many ideas. Nature is the backdrop to our whole lives. Natural beauty, gardening, growing, food, appreciating flowers, being animals, it all does something for us. When we are in nature, we are in touch with a deeper part of ourselves. At a profound level, energy from nature or the feelings it evokes in us help us transform of the soul. The word alchemy in the Middle Ages meant the changing of base metal, such as lead, into gold, something far more precious. Our consciousness can be at a low level or at a higher it is. Perhaps the science of working on ourselves as we learn through life and gain a wisdom is a form of alchemy. And alchemy is our invisible thoughts and feelings and our personality, so that our life force can flow through us ever more effectively as we play our part of life stage. Let's see the exercise. Question number 1. What kind of rocks did author find on the beach? Answer. The author found a rock carved, cut and shaped by water on the beach. What smiles with sun and dances with wind. The hibiscus plant smiles with sun and dances with wind. In what condition was the tree in a cold month? The tree was bare of leaves in the cold winter months. What do we find in the infinite sky? We find unnumberable stars in infinite sky. Fifth question. How does nature help us doing outdoor activities? Answer. Nature soothes and nurtures us, fulfills and motivates us, and even whispers and commands us. Sixth one. What do we learn from a small bits of grass? Answer. We learn from the small bits of grass that however impossible things we may look, there is always an opening. Seventh one. What is the fate of a big, bright, tender flower? Answer. A day after it blooms, it withers and falls and becomes one of the earth again. Eighth one. Do difficult phases stay in a life? How do we know that? Difficult phases of life do not stay. They pass away. We know this form experience in the cyclic occurrence in nature. Ninth question. What lesson do we learn from the life of the flower? Answer. We learn from the life of the flower that no matter what the length of life is, it is the quality that matters and counts the most. Hence, we should live it to the fullest. 10th question. How do you deal with the problems that you come across? This is the personal response question. Here, your answer is respected. My answer is, personally, I always try to analyze the problem and consider various alternative options as solutions. Then, guided by my experience and dusting or need be the advice of others, I work towards its solution. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you like the video.